What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to today's video, which, as you can see by the title, guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this man bun in 60 seconds ish. So I'm going to be looking down in the mirror, guys, but first thing you're going to do, flip all your hair over, grab it all, bring it up like so, grab your bobble, put that through. Then what you want to do is put half your hair through, twist, pull over, pull the bobble over, and there we have that. Now the most important thing is to twist all the excess hair around the bun, loosen it off so we don't get those receding hairlines, tuck that behind my ear, and there we go. The perfect man bun in 60 seconds. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next week.